This banana bread recipe by Flour Bakery has received tons of great reviews, and it really is a gem. The bread is moist but not dense or gummy or greasy. It has a strong but not overpowering banana flavor, and the pinch of cinnamon gives it that little something. And it's not too sweet. Look at the beautiful crumb on that bread. I didn't add nuts or chocolate so I could get cleaner slices for the video, but yeah, don't leave those out. So I have 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, and to that I'm adding a teaspoon baking soda, a half teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix well and set aside. Mash 3 1/2 very ripe, medium-sized bananas very well. Try not to leave any big chunks or they will show up in the bread. Now in a large bowl, crack in 2 eggs, and 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons of sugar. Whip it until it's thick and pale. This will take a few minutes. Then stream in a 1/2 cup of a neutral oil. Then mix in the mashed bananas. And add 2 tablespoons of sour cream and 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now mix. I used a wire whisk now so I don't over mix the mixture. Now sift in the pre-mixed dry ingredients. Now with the wire whisk, mix until no white streaks remain. When it's almost mixed, you can throw in any mix-in like nuts or chocolate. The batter will be a little thin. Pour the batter into a greased and floured 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour or until a toothpick inserted comes out with moist crumbs. Cool in pan for 20 minutes. Invert onto a plate and slice and serve. Enjoy. You can also freeze these slices.